Hey guys, our design today for our napkins is going to be sails and a staircase. Okay, today I'm going to use a 16 by 16 napkin. My pattern is on one side. You can see the back side of the pattern here, but this is the pattern side. Have it down. I am going to take it and fold the top down to meet the bottom edge. As much as possible there. And then I'm going to take one corner, lift this corner up, and the top seam, I'm going to hold that in my finger and I'm going to bring it down so that it's in the inside of the napkin and make it even with the very center down here at the bottom. Okay? Let me show you how to do that on the other side. You can see it better. I'm going to lift my corner. Pull in this edge, bring it all the way down so that it meets the center side, down the center. See that? Down just like that. Now I have a rectangle. Excuse me, a triangle. I no longer have a rectangle, I have a triangle. And I'm gonna take one edge, fold it over to the other edge so that my points are together. See that? This is really, really good idea to do it with a stiff napkin, if possible. And I'm gonna take my edge and roll it. I'm gonna roll it as tight as I can, but I'm gonna try to stay right along this edge. Roll it right along that edge. Okay, let's see if this napkin is stiff enough to make our sails. You stand it on the edge, let it unwind a little. Now let your napkin unravel slowly and pull your points out so they're sitting tall like sails. Using the same tight roll method, this is with a piece of burlap type napkin, a stiffer napkin. We're gonna roll it a little tighter. And when we roll this one tighter, we're gonna open it up, and as we open it up, we're gonna take our fanned ends down here and sort of lay them flat. You can create what is considered a staircase. Here, you don't unravel your points as much. You keep it as tight as you can, and you flatten the edges down towards the table. Thank you again for watching my demonstration on my YouTube channel here. Don't forget to hit that bell for notifications when I post something, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for following, and please be kind and respectful when leaving your comments.